Hey, John Crestani here, and let's talk about how to join the Roblox affiliate program. So it's really easy. I'm gonna break it down step by step, but first of all, a lot of you follow me for affiliate marketing, and let me explain what Roblox is real briefly. So Roblox is a game played by 70 million people daily, every day. And arguably, it is the metaverse. Of course, a lot of people are just gonna live in a computer, basically. And like, Roblox is the beginning of this. So let's talk about how we can make money getting more people into Roblox, into the metaverse. It's already taken over. So let's go. So let me get this out of the way first. To sign up for the affiliate program, how do you sign up? You just search Roblox affiliate program, sign up. and you'll be taken to an application. But let me go over what you need to know, because there's 5 parts of the application. And I'm gonna go through a little bit more information to help you prepare to fill out that application, but also help prepare you to make money, because joining the affiliate program won't make you money. It's getting people, it's getting sales, getting signups for Roblox. And first, you just need to get approved to their affiliate program. So what you put in your application matters. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is you need to decide on your niche, or how you're going to market Roblox. So you have to decide what you're doing. Are you creating a community on Facebook for, bored moms that play Roblox in their free time while they're nursing or whatever? I don't know. Is it a Facebook community? Or are you streaming on Twitch? There's a lot of people streaming Roblox on Twitch. What are you doing differently? Is it comedic? Are you making jokes? Or are you trying to find like bugs? Or are you, I don't know, doing aesthetics with your characters, or role playing within the game as, as a guinea pig? What are you doing? What's your angle on things? Figure out an angle of your content. Maybe you're live streaming on Twitch and you're just doing dad jokes and dad humor in your free time at night. That's good, because they're asked that on the application. But you need to know where you're gonna be creating content, or how you're gonna be posting, okay? So that's the first step. Now, the second step is you sign up for the Roblox affiliate program. And Roblox pays up to 80 cents per sign up. Now, these are free, folks. Again, you can get 80 cents for nothing. And that's another reason why what you put and how you're actually going to create content matters on your application, because Roblox can't pay people to get fake signups. They need to see that you're actually posting some content somewhere, or else you're just trying to scam them and make money in a dishonest way, you dirty person. But what we want to do is sign up, and you're going to have to enter in personal information, banking details, social security number, whatever you got. Basically whatever you got. If you don't got a bank, you're gonna have to enter in a PayPal, but you need to give them information so that they can pay you. Remember, this is a financial, it's like getting a job, when you sign up for an affiliate program. You have to fill out all the same information, your identity information, your passport, or whatever you got. You have to put it in there to sign up so they can pay you. And there's legal things around when you're paying, workers. As an affiliate, you have a job. You are an affiliate of Roblox once your application has been approved. Now, step number 3 is you gotta market the darn thing. You gotta put posts up. I talk till I'm red in the face about this, but I understand you're consuming content right now, but if you're actually using the content I give you and taking action from it, great. If you're using it just for entertainment value, maybe, or maybe I look good, or maybe I, whatever, I don't know, I make funny jokes. I don't think so. You definitely don't think so. I don't have that dry humor yet. Jacob likes it, though. You know, you got to actually take action. You got to move yourself from consumption to production. You got to be making things every day. If you are spending 95% of your time being told what to do, be watching others on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. If you are spending 95% of your time, you know, eating food, doing what others tell you, and consuming content and stuff like this, guess what? You're a zombie. You've got to move from consumption to production. Produce babies, produce life, produce content, produce food. You can do all of these things. Make plants, garden plants, you know, and you've got to move your mindset. This is the fundamental shift in mindset that you've got to make. And the reason I'm saying this is because if you're looking to join the Roblox affiliate program, the chances are you're addicted to social media. You're more of a consumer than a producer. So you first got to make this shift in your mind to production, production, production. Okay? And once you do that, then the rest will be easy, because then every day, instead of you feeling all self-aware and like, oh, are people gonna judge me, you know, if I go live on Twitch wearing this sweater, or I didn't do my makeup, or whatever. You're just gonna go, you're only gonna play Roblox if you're live. That's the way to make money, right? So if you like playing Roblox, make money. Continue produce. Show your personality. Don't fear of being judged. People who are consumers fear imposing themselves on the world because they're scared and they listen to the media and they listen to all these things. You got to shift that. Let's go over the pros and cons. So let's go over the pros and cons of being a Roblox affiliate. But first, let's check out some real social media posts of successful promoters of Roblox. And let's look at some of the most successful promoters of Roblox on advancepay.io, which is my service where I've compiled all the promoters of all the companies online. So let's check out these posts and check out some of the other promoters on AdvancePay.
Let's see. Eeny, meeny, miny.
How I used to build on Bloxburg.
It's about to...
So the pros of being a Roblox affiliate is if, you know, assuming you love Roblox, otherwise, I don't know, I guess you could, why are you watching this video? Maybe, who knows. But basically, if you love playing Roblox, you get to play video games, right? The other pro is that really, if you're just streaming yourself playing, you're not doing anything different except now you're making money from playing a game. Assuming that you're gonna put up, you know, stream on Twitch Roblox content and then just put your link in the description. The pros are there's no customer service, right? No customer service. You can make money while you sleep, right? It's, you know, once you've posted your content, there is a passive component there so that you're making money even when you sleep. You know, I got divorced a few years ago, about 2.5 years ago, and I really wasn't in a good mental place to do YouTube videos. I just wasn't feeling, you know, I'm remarried now, but I wasn't in a good place to do YouTube videos for a while. I just didn't feel congruent, like coming on camera and teaching people stuff when I felt so empty inside. And I didn't do YouTube videos, but I still made over $10,000 a month from my past video library, because I guess a lot of my teachings on affiliate marketing, e-commerce, eBay, etc., people still liked, even though I wasn't putting out new stuff, which was crazy, right? So even though YouTube isn't totally passive, right? You know, you're still, I'm here teaching you. You know, I have hired folks to do audio, video, we have sets and all this other stuff, or lights, setup, I mean. There's still a largely passive component, making over $10,000 a month for years after I did a video is somewhat passive. So there is a passive component here, but I really I stopped myself from writing passive because it's passive-ish. There's passive elements to being an affiliate for Roblox. Now, what are some of the cons? Well, I'll tell you this right away. 80 cents a commission for a sign up is very little. You generally want to be, it's a great place to start for complete beginners. Where you're, 12-year-old kid playing a video game, make a little money. But it's not the place where you scale, right? The affiliates that are making $10,000, $100,000, $400,000 a day. I was hanging out with an affiliate over in Vegas last week. He does $400,000 in affiliate commissions a day sometimes. Insane, right? But you're not going to make that with 80-cent conversions. You're going to make that with products that are paying you $50 to $150 per conversion, okay? But that's not what you're getting here. The other cons are you're going after generally a younger demographic, and younger folks just don't have a lot of money. It doesn't go very deep there. Whereas if I'm selling weight loss products to a 50-year-old woman, now she has access to a lot of money. She has credit cards, she has financial history, she has a mortgage, she has, probably some inheritance, there's all sorts of money available if you're targeting, an audience that's not 14 years old, okay? I mean, at 14, you don't, a lot of the people that play Roblox don't even have credit cards, so it's just like, it's what I consider a bad demo. It's a bad demo. There's not a lot of things you can sell to this audience. They're just so young. But there's some older people that play Roblox too, right? So just little money, bad demo. I'd also say the way this market works is you're always creating content. I don't, because it's such a low commission rate, there's not much of an opportunity to leverage paid advertising and whatnot to make money. So it's just, low commissions, low commissions, you have to create content consistently. I feel there's a list of negatives. I'm not super hot on Roblox as an affiliate program. If you're looking for a better affiliate program to join, get my book. It's free. There's a link in the description. Just enter in your email address. I'll send you out, like a weekly newsletter of interesting, affiliate programs or resources and stuff like that. My goal is to help you succeed. We all have to be multimillionaires so we can afford to go into space and colonize it. We have to prepare for that, though. We have to prepare for colonizing space and living forever for thousands of generations into the future by making a lot of money today. So get my book, check it out. The two programs in there I recommend are ClickBank and Digistore. And I have an affiliate program on ClickBank. We've paid out almost $10 million to affiliates of my affiliate program. And but ClickBank and Digistore have a lot of other products that you can sell online. But Roblox is great. Hey, if you're playing it, go for it. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, are you gonna join the Roblox affiliate program? You think it's a good idea? Yes, no, and why? And also make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Get my book. If you wanna be part of one of my students, I have various digital courses and mentorship programs. And love you all. Have a great day, and remember, shift yourself from consumer to producer. It's gonna change your life. Have a great one.